a story about?
Okay. This movie is produced by, I don't remember her name, but I know her name is Stacy. She's from Canada. She have her little life story, but you don't know how we do movie, you know. It no matter if you have a life story, we still have to spin it and make it, put a little drama to it and put a little context to the story. So this story is her life story. What she been, what things that she been through as a female in terms of being hurt by.
So she cross a play right now.
She play one version of her because in the movie we have 3 phases. When she way younger than Cross, and then when she become an adult now. So it's 3 different phases. So this is the middle phase.
Alright. So when you hear that, people, we run go over the bus park there. Follow them, BTS and all these things. Yeah. Morning people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. I'm supposed to start wear this still in a bit. Yeah, but then, right, speaker devil, so them over there so. Yeah, so this morning we're in a Negril bus park, Negril Transportation Center in Westmoreland. What we are doing at that video here.
Oh.
I don't know, I want to keep on knocking, so that's why I'm here for the on top of my voice as well. So, as I said, we're here for shoot, well, Mr. Brown now shoot a scene to a movie. So we get some behind the scenes, and in the meantime, between time, I can show you around at the bus park how it look on the lockdown, the eve of the lockdown. And tomorrow lockdown as well.
Man, that one, you know, and this man here, trust me, you're good. Yeah, the app ain't good. I like it. Hold this. I'm going to tell you. Give me enough crack up.
So see them the people? Yep. So while them set up, I guess we can. Well, not really interested in the bus park for some more than I want to see right now.
Why the Christmas? If I'm knocking that one now, can shoot us in.
Alright, my teacher want a little strategy. She don't want me to record her. I will see if she get it. Miss Cross! Morning! Are we going to get the finger? Or are we going to say, Ackeen, I don't want the camera on me this morning?
So that I started doing.
We got the finger, which means she don't have a problem with us pointing the camera at her. So Mr. Brown, how we are do so far, you know? What going on so? Camera get trouble?
No, sir, never. Just like to make sure it's setting.
I guess I'm just dial in some of my settings and the camera.
Alright, let's get you sitting right here.
So we are gonna try as best as possible to hear everything what them are talk about and how them get the scenes them together. This one should be particularly interesting.
Video so if you don't want to catch tonight.
No man, go and do the thing, come watch your video now, no video shot at that.
You will see yourself now. Be careful, no careful.
My youth, I see me a recording, I can't give my car key if I move car. I'm getting BTS. No, give me a wrong thing, give me. Say boy, a purpose. Oh, move car. Why this? Come park the car and you know say I want the car and I have it. Trouble there.
Ready?
Come in. Park right also. I'm not even put in a park. I'm not a person that likes to drive, you see me? Whew, I'm down in that town, it's hot. So, if you reach a Negril, there's a nice good place in a bus park. I don't know if it's operational still. So I'm going to say here and nails here. So the number down you can record at the same time too. beauty salon seat there. So I don't know. If you reach at the bus park, you don't want anything there for you. Yeah, so can come around and so. So make we go catch the people and record movie and see what I go on. So them up there so. Oops. Boy, rough. So not like you want to take it from him.
No, it's a Brad. No, that's a dog.
That's it, Brad.
Daniel, I love you, yeah? I love you very much.
I already know Brad. Watch it. Wait.
Brad?
Stay. No, I'm not wasting no stay. That look too. Yes,
Insta.
no man, just she said Brad, you just walk over to her and sit down. You understand what I'm saying?
I pass it, eh?
I already know Brad. Brad, stop.
You want, show us what you're looking for, Mr. Brown.
Brad. Walk on. Go slow. Simple. Yeah, but see brother, I brought this. Brad. No dog.
In coming like where my girl from Southern here. When she come around the corner up so I see him with the dog. I see him and he look frightened like when he come around the corner he look frightened, yeah.
Come on, look at that. Just give me a more natural looking car. And just walk over. You're not frightened. I already know. Right. Don't stop, please don't stop. I'm here direct, just stay in a character. The reason why me say Brad, because you take too long. I hear some reach, I wait till him pass out of frame in your car. Brad. You don't wait till him reach, just call him. Because when you walk out of frame, you don't want to feel the 10 different shots. One take. Alright, ready again. Hold on, Brad, hold on. I'm ready now.
Brad?
Come, Brad. Come.
So people, this is my favorite part of it. A conversation. So we are going really close. I know what we're going on. And I hit song in a boy.
Stop me here. Stop.
Brad, are you dance? Dirty Brad. Dirty Brad.
Alright, Brad, go back out and put your car. You didn't have that easy when you. Alright, start walk now, Brad.
Brad?
Why are you looking at? Oh, so put it back your bag. Put it back your bag. You're healthy. Like when you're the record.
No, remember.
Remember? Okay, alright. You ready again now, Brad?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll tell you when. Ready?
Right? Yeah.
No more. Alright, so what one? So Brad, you can say, what one? When me a call the phone, I'm going to get you. And then she say, no, say I told the phone, mash up. And then you ask me, so how are you back up? You know what I'm saying? Ready now, Brad.
So, when me a call you, not take again.
No, want you be more precise. Don't talk again. Want you say the whole conversation. Oh, go on, from when me call your phone, I'm not going to get them. Why it's a phone, so they know exactly where you're talking. Alright? Let me tell you. Action.
So,
No man, we want you continue the conversation. That's why I said, just say the first line. So I go on from when me don't make shit talk. So I go on from when me call the phone, I'm not get you.
Don't get her a chance to respond to her. Don't say something that, you know, require that immediate response.
Yeah, because it's because you pause. That's why you wait for she respond. But when you say the full sentence before she starts talking. When pay attention, okay? Ready.
you call now me a call your phone.
No, Brad. That sounds too aggressive. From it. So I go on. When
yeah.
you call the phone, I can't.
Yeah.
When you say, look down when you call it, that sounds too aggressive.
Bad man.
You understand? No. Action. Action.
So I go on. You find when me a call your phone and can't get you.
I'm gonna make that stay with that. I never that more you say. You still sound too aggressive. So I go on.
You miss her?
No, you must say from when me a call the phone, I'm gonna get it. Just sound too aggressive.
No, man, answer if the situation is that he miss her,
No,
you know?
the situation is him a look her, well him not get her phone.
Okay,
You know what I
okay.
say? So him a say, go on, you know, so from when me a call the phone, I'm not get it, go on.
Okay.
But it sound, but me make it honest, but I never that way. Anyway, alright. You know your son, your phone. Phone mash up, that's why.
You know, you don't sit down and
I think that's a good way to develop dialogue.
Say it back. Right, say it, ready?
So I go on.
Find something, I think I just learned something. So I think the key to a great dialogue in movies is to listen. It's like you're there at the bus park, you know, whole heap of people have conversations. So you just cock your ears, you see me? Hear where the taxi man a talk to the juice man say, but the soup man a talk to him bridging say, you see me? And then when you make the movies you will know how to structure the dialogue. Just how I'm gonna get that. Yeah. So the key to a good dialogue is to listen. Yeah, listen. Go out and listen.
Alright. Yeah, so what one? Well, I'm there, I just put me on to me and take shortcut to bus park. I just take shortcut to bus park. So where you go with bus? You know what I'm saying? So you're on. Ready?
So I'll go with you.
You know, say, at the end of the day, I say, make a shortcut to 3 park. Yeah. So, how are you going back?
I'm an auntie.
Project your voice. You know, sir, I'm auntie never look for cash, you know, feel too good to sick. Ask him back around.
Come on, come
Go on, me tell you again. I'm ready, bro.
So, you know, say, I'm shortcut to 3 park. So, how are you going back?
say my auntie don't go look for door. But check it, you know?
So now that I see her now, Brad. That's the what I said. So now that I see her again, you have a number. No, you have a number still. Yeah. But now that I see you, you must get a new phone. The more you tell her, you must get a new phone and also. More me you get serious and now, man, I swear. You know what I say? You want she to be a woman and now. You want me to get serious and now. You want me in a relationship and now.
So hold on, them did that talk before because him not get her up on the phone.
He meet her first, then she give her him number and them they talk over the phone. But him they call her and not get her.
So she not really give him no vibes then?
Right, so no him say, yo, I want you, you know.
You have to dash in some lyrics, you know. You see me? No, how going on a general. Yeah.
Alright, so you have to start by saying to her, alright, so when you get back a phone, you can ask her so when she get back a phone. Tell him, say, you know, say tomorrow I'm supposed to get a phone. I say, yeah, money. I don't really want to get back a phone. I really want you to get serious, you know. Just ask me why if you do woman. Then you can.
Them have no experiences together before though?
Yeah, them have a boyfriend and girlfriend and a picnic.
Friend of my pitney?
You know, picnic.
John no drop in some of that no general.
Yeah. Alright, what the last lyrics are? Oh, your auntie sick. Alright, so
Yeah,
make him start.
check
Alright, yeah. So just on the auntie sick, so I'm gonna check. Alright, no,
I support Juice Lady over there so.
You know, I'm gonna know what do I think. You know?
So I promise you, I get my phone.
You know, say by tomorrow I'm supposed to go buy a phone.
Right, but when me want you actually be secure, so when you get back a phone, guys say our phone match up, so ask guys, when you get back a phone, and then she will tell us, so right, ready.
So when you get back a phone?
You know, say by tomorrow I'm going to go buy a phone.
Next boss gone.
I know. So, you know, so I come see you. So, my
Bye. Why you telling me to go? You want to get back a phone?
Anyways,
Yeah, sure, also, you know, so by tomorrow I'm supposed to get a phone. Ready now.
You know, say by tomorrow when I buy a back a phone.
Alright, so, no, Brad.
yeah.
You have a certain thing. Come on, I really want to get back a phone because time for me to get serious and all. I mean, maybe can't forget them pick the days that we made boyfriend and girlfriend, you know.
Remember when we kissed around at church back?
Ready now? Ready? Ready.
Yeah, man, we can't wait to get back up phone, man. I swear. Can't forget them days, like, the 50 days when me used to kiss her. First time I was a kiss her, couldn't be eat, you know. Swear no more. So I tell me, can't wait to get back up phone. You know. So what can I go and still? When you love her, you know, I want to be more serious, man.
Alright, so.
She feel it, me see it in her face. She absorb and chat the brown man.
So you have a setting, sir. Brad.
You feel you are just David.
Brad.
Jesus Christ, me a David.
Brad. Take me. Good. You don't call me a calling you dog and see me a dog like.
Where you say Brad? You go?
So you have a setting, sir, now, Brad.
Where you say you had a beat?
Brad. Even though me give him a number, honestly, the relationship thing enough for me. I've been through too much hurt with man with married. Just tell him all what happened.
Feel it.
No, I'm not telling him you're not feel, but just tell him all what you've been through.
Right.
You can get them in your economy.
So why we have chat though, I'm just telling you.
No.
Nah, feel it.
We don't want to tell him man.
Don't tell him man that.
Hear what she want to say.
Ready. Ready,
Dog,
when
I'm
I'm
not depend on something there, you know?
Ready, when I'm to go home.
Oh yeah. So we have two more scenes after this.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, not this slow.
What different I do? What's spark? I look scanty away.
Ready.
before, I'm not really in a relationship because may I tell you say it's rough.
I'm not coming to one side now. It's rough. It's too much with dirty dog.
Dirty Janko.
Ready?
You're rough, man. You're rough. I tell you. It's not easy right now because going on a relationship. Well, in my friend. Because I go through so much things with man. Mystery. Misangle. Man, I've been them wife and still I look my way. Sleep with me and run with me. Them kind of things, yeah. And when we hear about relationship, nobody just leave me. Everything just flashback. They want to.
I'm not gonna stay so, you know.
Hold on, Brad. Sorry, I say again, King, so we can get some facial expression.
Flashback.
No, like go back to someone in the conversation. So we ask so we can get some facial expression. Brad, you are said when she pass now, you have to ask come on. It's different.
Wow, go look out. See what I'm going out the roadside. Oh my gosh. Come on, government, do better than this. You want empty, that me mean, the garbage truck become empty. So the police station is right there. You see my blurry edge and my blurry finger. So that's the entrance to the police station for all the people that are not familiar. And as I said before, transportation center, mother. I'm Mr. Brown there, I shoot some videos. Hi. See a nice lady here called to me. Hello, miss. Get up on my camera here. It's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, yeah, YouTuber?
Yeah, I am. Morning, how are you?
Fine.
Oh, you know, Richard Brown filmed me figure more or less, so that's why you were calling.
No, I'm thinking that they want to.
You think me take one picture? You want me to take one picture with you? Alright, hold on. So, we just took some photos of you. How are you going to get your photos, miss?
I don't know.
As a matter of fact, tell a little bit about yourself. What's your name? What's your name? Amaria? Nice to meet you, Amaria. So, I'll send you your photos via WhatsApp. You can just send me a message. I'm sending them via WhatsApp.
I'm going to take your number.
Yeah, 830.
Okay, hold on then. How long the money you stay for me?
I'm probably like you.
What's your 876?
830 8198.
Name?
Ackeen.
Ackeen?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, I'll send them to you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So how
What?
you going to see my picture then?
Just send me a text message and then just send me a message right now.
Alright.
With the name, so I know it's you. Where's it?
You send me number? Oh.
Where that's now, sir?
I've got probably drive, but I've got drive would they go or that me have got do. Cause I'm thinking in a dog work again.
That's all she gives me all day. Middle fingers. Oh, yeah, go, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, where are you going? Sometimes when I have that smirk on your face and I go say sitting in, I kind of know what I go say. But where did I go say all I go?
I take the camera from me, tell you, but you have a camera from me, so I can't tell you. I'm gonna take off camera.
Alright. Alright. That's not good. My favorite person in the entire world right now, here she is.
Alright, so let's go. We're done this scene. Come on. Next scene. We'll shoot about that.
Dad.
Yeah, we're done. Honestly,
So people, we are going to Candy Yard now. And that was
So
not...
what we are going to do up again? Tell me what we are going to do up again.
I don't feel like say. As some go.
Give me a little piece.
Take piece.
So you might ask, how does it feel to be shooting with the black magic? Honestly, I love it. God knows. I just one drawback, and I just wish black magic fix that. And it's the battery. Battery didn't last long. I know so they have some little pokes where you buy battery pack and you buy this. But we don't want it that way. We want one good battery in the camera, so we just know say you run and gun.
So say I make some battery? Want people buy 2 batteries?
Yeah, tell them someone. Alright, tell them one. I want, but now I'm 2 killing because they're not corona time and time hard. I want, not make Ackeen put up in my battery. I want 4 of them a battery and some memory card for it. That I want.
They can at least just take out the battery and have one little look at it, please. What it looks like. Make it a little focus on it. Yup. There it is, guys. So now I have all the information.
Yeah, man, want 4 of them a battery and not necessarily discard. They have me have to tell you name, man. I don't want discard because discard is slow.
Yeah,
they
slow
have some
memory
other
card.
one.
Yeah.
They're perfect for it. Want some of them.
So we are going back in hard drive. Yeah, so hard drive. Oh, I don't big much. I'm gonna take one Z5. Right now I'm gonna take one Z5 and my life perfect. Thank you people. Oh,
So people, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. My channel had 170. You understand? So thank you guys. So past. I'm gonna say again.
alright, my boss. Pick up yourself, brother. Thank you, Nana. Big one up. We go back Candy Yard now. So now hear the little beep thing and then reach up a Candy to this. Yeah. Alright, pretty people. We reach a candy place up as a name Red Ground. This is the place where when you come, you do not leave. If you leave, it's in a body bag. I joke, man. I don't know about Red Ground like that. But with the Red Ground, shoot to our next scene. And yes, I know a cap can't really fit me because my head big. I love you. Girl, I love you. What I say?
You want me?
No, man.
You know what I say? Me have to go bleep out that part there. So why you don't conduct yourself like somebody were raised by humans? So probably Richie I give her some fatherly advice over them. I don't know where I go on.
Fatherly?
You say you wish as some fatherly advice. Oh God.
Then me bomb up like that.
Hey!
Never tell Ken. Then she was never called.
My hand.
No, I don't call it.
So I'm candy not there.
Dog.
So then reach and candy not there. Which girl is? Hello, miss.
If you're calling, I'm not properly dressed for a camera.
Joke thing this
Your
dog.
feet, you're properly dressed.
People want to dress up for camera. On to them.
We don't make she play you, but it can't happen because you and she almost look like the same type of age group. Or she look young. She look like she got around 11 or 10.
You look old, you know.
So me I
You
live
look
like
old.
Alright, we're gonna make you play a role, but what we are gonna do? We'll plait her here and put on some bubbles and clip in it.
Like what?
Bubbles and clip and ribbon.
I don't know how to find that though, because I don't
No, you're gonna find it. We're gonna find it.
So you're going with Angel.
Now that I look upon you, you can play a role. We just need to.
Angel, where am I?
Mama's, I'm in my house and this boy come beat down the door. Like,
Yo,
they
stop
don't know
that.
who. He come and said so.
You shop top up.
Candy, yeah.
So no can me a call.
Next week Tuesday, I'm 40.
Me tell Candice,
Look, all that-
me tell Candice from
Yes.
2000.
No, you're hearing them. My never.
Candy,
Oh, what do you think, girl? What do you think?
Candy.
Yeah?
Up here you do there now?
Yeah, I don't want to say never.
Where exactly there?
Don't know.
Come back up because I don't know. I think she was calling to us so we have to come up here.
Send a friend of a plan.
But I think that was the time when they did the last time. So we have to-
Yeah, boy, big up yourself, my general.
No, last time before you left, you know, here we have said that to the come up and shoot scene with her before she got. Daniel, come. Or we are shoot up a sandwich shoot on there.
Gosh,
Come. Come.
Girl, I cannot take this.
Just want to find them. Just want to find them. G's and P's. Just want to find them.
Yeah, but I think now that me look for you, I think you can play a role. If you put bubbles and clip in your head, and ribbon will work.
Girl, I've bought 10 earrings when it's
No, them have a dash out.
We can only have one can get prepare it.
That doesn't sound good. Did that sound good to you, Ackeen?
Why? Listen,
Hey, what, can-
we need to know for understand, so you know, me's the cameraman. I be the one gonna ask me
I love
opinion,
my mama.
so people can
One-
form no kind of
one
moral
can get
standards.
prepared in a farm,
I'm just
but she never
passing
bore me
through.
days when they
Alright?
I'm born me neighbors. Yeah, it's been 6 years. Remember this? She about 12. She's 13.
I tell Candice here from 2019. Me I hear him saying that I must be 13.
Bumbo God.
Me have to go bleep out that again.
Me never
Sure.
have video girl.
Sure. I always have it.
About that.
From 2019.
Yeah?
No, me left the girl part still. Nah, bleep out it.
From 2019, me and Candice saying that at 13.
13 forever.
I guess she's 13
I feel like
next
the
week.
Candice do that. I don't want nobody look
14
like that, so. I'm just saying my 13 from 2019 till now.
It's a good strategy.
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright, so, one time we can do a video from your channel with some of your early time. We'll talk about the persons that want to do YouTube.
I want to see some more people.
Right? Go with that,
I want some more people.
Young person.
No, we don't want to hear about how to do YouTube. We want to talk about movie.
So start the movie.
Alright, so until then figure out what I'm gonna do.
No, whatever you know what I do.
Yeah, but now wait right now. So we don't want to stand here waiting on them.
You know, nice.
So bleep and then come back. Hold on, no, that might sound like a sort.
You see what you do? When Candy get up here.
Alright, so figure out themselves and then start shoot again. Then we start to shoot. Alright people, we're back up and running. Candy reaching our place, so we're back up and running.
Look, you're going down my breast. Hey, gone breast, nice. With bread. Sandwich.
Chicken breast she attacked, Richie. Chicken breast she attacked. Is her chicken breast?
Candy, what tell you what water?
Which would you go here?
Come on, Candy.
Shooting start again.
You
Alright, planning.
the bed.
Before.
Yes.
Alright, so you walk random down?
But me turn up long in a sun.
So you can't switch to like you walk.
Cause me in a sun and wait for
Alright,
bike.
so you walk one and no Candy. You know say your mother, but they discuss for other night when they talk to her.
No, you're not make me go together.
So you walk one and no Candy, man. Candy,
You like it?
you're not listening to me as a Candy. You listen to me, Candy?
I'm
Alright,
straight
so
up in there, I'm straight up on move friends.
I'm pregnant.
You're good. And I do nothing else. You may attack. You may tidy up. So I'm going to force them to sleep up this before I bed and make they go see people leave them. Where's the energy?
alright, you ready for me now? Alright, so you walk one and you know from last night to share that, right?
Yeah.
Right, so we need to establish something before we cut her out, I seem so. We have to establish her now.
Ponytail bad mama.
You have to talk to her before she goes, whoever will be your sister, which is her auntie was sick. See? So what you have to talk to her about now?
Yeah.
Nothing. You say, yo, you listen. How short music I play, Candy?
You know that people like.
So we have said to her, you know, listen, Stacey, you know, some shouldn't even have seen her go up on the road, but me and seen her go up on your auntie. Because the thing coming up.
Alright, that sound is how you know ice cream is in the community.
Hello?
Just don't like send me have a camera. Bad man.
It just include the stream. And if it's like, because I know sometimes persons don't really want a copy of the funeral. So normally me just do the stream and give you a copy of it.
Alright, so that's the live stream and you have copy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. For Thursday?
This Thursday?
Yes, this
Alright, so gone
What's
again
it? Thursday what day?
until actual shooting starts.
16.
Stop
Alright,
recording
give me
now.
1 second, let me make a call. If I am not available, I have somebody that
So yeah, because of the music on here in the background talk faster, YouTube not recognize it faster. Because of the music on here, we have to probably shoot inside. And we have our next obstruction because we never carry lights, so we never plan for that. You don't have like a notebook to write down these things, so we don't have these problems. So yeah, we're gonna shoot inside. I'm gonna shoot inside. Man.
Alright, so here we go. Come out with your bag.
So change our plans, boss. You have a strategy
No,
to
because in the
counter the music sound because in there so dark and we don't have no light, so
Eh?
I'm gonna try something
Charlie, come
outside.
somewhere like that, so no in the dark, man. You don't want light proper. You don't care what kind of camera you use, you don't want it to be so dark. When you talk color grade, it's a big problem. Somewhere else, okay.
Definitely.
Eh?
Definitely. So them are continue from the scene at the bus park.
Where baby there?
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, when you start walking. What is that? Look at Chance. Slimmers, have your back for your back.
Listen, I mention nothing about no school.
No. Where she there?
You start recording.
Daniel!
Where she there? No, I'm not started. Come, yeah, our full back that as well.
Candy bag that.
Okay, I make a stay, Candice. I'm sorry.
So my strategy is for work with the sound, the music we are playing, is to get this audio thing as close as possible to whoever is speaking, so you drown out the background sounds. Yeah. So YouTube can pick up the music.
Alright, so. Candy, you start talking to her as you walk in. Try to say, yo, make sure you go straight up her.
My sister name, I have to say no name.
No, I never mention no name.
Okay.
Make sure you go straight up your auntie yard, you know. You know what I'm trying to say? Your sister and she's sick. So make sure she go straight up there. Alright, so ready now, walk out and walk in. And you think you damp your face, Candy? Ready to action.
Alright, listen me now. You know, so I should not send you nowhere on the road. Even though you're auntie. I shouldn't send you nowhere on the road because I notice that anytime I send you nowhere, you come back when you feel like.
So basically, alright, that's how we the end people. The organizer the sound from the AC and whatnot. So with the Burger King, I get burger for actors and actresses. Send out boy, you know. But anyhow, people, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and a little more. We'll see each other very soon later. Yeah, more the whole chips.